Do you struggle to concentrate while studying? Don't worry. Here are some powerful techniques to study smarter. Hey everyone, I'm Tanvi Thakur and welcome back to your channel Being Winner, where we make study easy and effective. तो आज आपको क्या मिलेगा इस वीडियो में? So let me tell you. In this video, I have shared about 5 to 6 techniques to study better and in an effective way. मैंने भी ये try किए and I will recommend you all to try this because they are really helpful to study in a better way. And in the end of the video, you will also find a bonus tip to make sure you stay till the end. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the content. So the first technique I'm going to share with you all is Pomodoro technique. जी हाँ, ये बहुत एक मशहूर टेक्निक है और इसका नाम आप लोगों ने ज़रूर सुना होगा. So this technique is basically named after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, which is often used to time sessions. So basically, this technique is done to increase focus and productivity. In this technique, you study for 25 minutes and then takes a 5 minutes break. And you repeat this thing for about 4 to 5 times. And in this way, you can study for 2 to 3 hours without distraction or discomfort. So the second technique I'm going to share with you all is 50-10 rule. This is basically a variation of Pomodoro technique. In this, you study for 50 minutes and then take a 10 minutes break. I personally recommend this technique because in this way you can build a deep focus and study the topic deeply and without distractions. It helps to increase your focus, productivity, and help you to give you lots of time to study properly. So the next thing I'm going to share with you all is active recall. So this is basically done for better memory. तो basically आप सब लोग कैसे रिवीजन करते हैं? Do tell me in the comment section. And basically लोग ज़्यादातर यही कहेंगे 90% की भी open the books, we read the content and then close it and our revision is done. तो ये रिवीजन नहीं होता. बेसिकली आपका माइंड कहीं और होता है जबकि आप बुक्स पढ़ रहे होते हो. So तो how to do revision? Just close your books, close your eyes and try to remember what did you study. Instead you can keep a blank page in front of you और उस पर थोड़ा थोड़ा लिखते रहो शॉर्ट में क्या पढ़ा हमने, क्या याद आ रहा है. And this is better because it forces your brain to remember what did you study. So the next technique I'm going to share with you is Feynman technique. This is done for basically deeper understanding, and this technique was developed by physicist Richard Feynman. So in this technique, basically you try to explain a concept to a person who don't know about it, and you use simple language as you can use, and you try to explain that concept. This is basically a check for you. If you are able to explain that concept in simple language to the person in front of you and that person understands, that means you have understand that topic properly and effectively. So now I'm going to tell you about mind mapping. Mind mapping is something really important and it is done for connecting ideas. Like you studied a topic or a chapter and then close your books. Take a blank page, write different ideas, whatever you studied in short way and just connect them. In this way you bring the whole chapter in front of you in just a single page. And this also acts as your short notes and you can really write it, and this is a very good way for revision. So the last thing I'm going to tell you is SQ3R technique. Yes, maybe शायद आपने इसके बारे में पहले ना सुना, so let me tell you. In this technique, basically you study the book effectively. This technique is basically done for studying the textbook faster and effectively for deeper understanding. And let me tell you here how it's work. So the S stands for survey. Go through the summaries and headings of the chapter, read them deeply and try to understand what are they trying to tell you. Now, Q stands for questioning. Question yourself what kind of question can come from this topic, how many questions can come from this topic, and what is important, what is not. And then R. The first R stands for read. Read properly, go through the topic deeply and try to understand it. The second R stands for recite. Repeat the key points. Try to remember what was given in this particular topic. And then the third R, the last R. And this stands for review. This is really important. Go through the content after some time. Try to revise it before sleeping and next in the morning. एंड रिवाइज करते रहो, मतलब उसको ताकि याद आता है कि उसमें क्या था, ऐसा करते करते एक वो आपको याद हो जाएगा. एंड here all the techniques end, but wait, bonus tip अभी बाकी है. So here comes the bonus tip. So let me give you some tips to study better. First thing, study at your best time. कईयों का best time कईयों को सुबह बहुत अच्छे से याद होता है, कईयों को रात को, कईयों को शाम को, कईयों को दोपहर को. So find your best time to study and study at that time daily. Consistency is the key to success. And the second tip is avoid distractions. Keep your phone while studying on do not disturb mode, and if possible in some other room. Third thing, use blur background feature to stay focused. Fourth thing, keep a study planner to track your progress. Do not skip the school test at all. They will help you to analyze where do you stand, where you need improvement, and which topics are your weak ones. So do not skip any school test. So which study technique do you find the most effective? Do tell me in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep working, keep learning. Bye. Thanks for watching.